wearing jewelry, this nose pin right here. What is expected out of me in parties to wear uncomfortably high heels, ordering certain amounts of drinks, not gulping it down my throat, how I interact with people, how I sit, what I'm supposed to wear, am I supposed to look good, is this pimple, am I supposed to hide it, everything.
Gender, according to me, it is not something you think about, but it just comes to you, like through socialization. And nobody tells you that you are a girl, you are a woman, you are supposed to do this, not do this. In general, it just comes to you. It is only here when I have actually I'm studying about these things and I'm seeing other people do it, that I've started to think that why I'm doing a particular thing in a particular way. Because I'm a girl, I'm supposed to dress up like that. So, this is what I think about gender.
See, as a man, if I say, I'll tell you one example. What happened 2 days before, there was one of my friends, and we were showing our biceps. Alright, you see my biceps, my hands quite thin, and the girl was her biceps were more heavy. So I was they were just starting thinking, यार तुम लड़की हो, तुम्हारे इतने पत्ते हैं ऐसे हैं, लड़की के इतने मोटे. In spite of being, there was a fat male accumulation. Not saying that she was a very healthy person. That was joking, but that was the term which was used.
So, talking about performing my gender, it's about certain things that I need to adhere to, like the compulsion of being back home soon, at a certain point of time. I have to because I'm performing my gender. Also, there is this level of conformity, and to conform to my gender, I need to do certain things, as in, being attracted, being a woman, being attracted only to the opposite sex. It becomes a problem when you're probably bi-curious and would want to probably explore more, but you can't because there's a structure that makes you conform to the way things are. So I would be performing my gender then by probably restraining myself and confirming to who I am, a lady, a woman.
So I feel like I have the emotion, why I can't express my emotion, why it only becomes women's emotions. So there is also we getting sex between emotions or all our activity, because we have the concept of saying that women should cry, men should laugh. It's nothing. If we get emotion to smile, we should smile. We feel to cry, we should cry. So the people are dividing everything based on sex. So as a man, I am not allowed to cry in the public, I'm not allowed to make loud noises, I'm selecting my, so I don't know, I'm also restricted to do something which I like to do. All because of this sex bias discrimination. So as a man or as a human being, I'm also suppressed because of certain concept of so-called social constructed ideas.
I think हमारे बॉडी ऑर्गन अलग हैं, उसके अलावा तो शायद हमें कोई फर्क नहीं होता. थोड़ी सी फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ ज़्यादा होती है, उसके अलावा तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं जो लड़कियों के पास नहीं है और हमारे पास स्पेशल है.
I think like most of us, even I perform gender. The drinks you drink, the way you sit, the kind of clothes you wear, the kind of things you talk about, how men become a little weird when you talk about maybe politics or war or economy, and then you're expected to talk about more feminine issues. So I think that's one way we all perform gender. Also, there are times when you're conscious about the fact that you are performing gender, but you're still required to fit in and then talk about things or do things in a more feminine way just to be able to fit in. Because you perform gender, but then your interactions have to be outside your mind and your body. So where you are forced to perform gender, irrespective of the fact that you know that gender is just performative.
पर एक जवाबदारी है कि एक परिवार है, वो परिवार चलाना है. परिवार में कुछ घटना घटी तो उसमें हम रो नहीं सकते, पुरुष होके हम रो नहीं सकते.
I identify as genderqueer and androphilic, and as for performing gender, I've not yet figured my way out because being genderqueer itself has been rubbished by a lot of mainstream sexuality debates, and I feel very difficult when people try to tell me which gender to conform to or how much to conform to a particular gender.